So what I did here, I don't know why the save as feature is not working. So what I did was I saved it as, instead of a Moodle file, I saved it as a GIF, GIFT file. And I opened it in Notepad, and then I just saved that. And hopefully that should import. So going to the new class, we're going to import. So that file, again, I saved it as a GIF file, and I put it on the desktop this time. Found it, import. Alright, so I think it worked. So now it's in my course.
Why are we just saving those files?
GeoGebra.
You should not be on YouTube, sir.
I know. I'm not. Trust me, I'm not. Am I back to basics? So if I was on back to basics, I went to export again. I went to questions. I went to export. And then I did the GIF format. I don't know why the Moodle XML wasn't working. So, and I had to pick the category. So you would just do the whole grammar lab once you guys have all your different categories in there. And then I opened it with Notepad. I just had to do that so I can save it, because when I click save as, I want to save it. And then I just saved it onto the desktop. And then closed it, went to my course, and then imported it. Import, find that same file, it's a GIF file, find that same file, and import.